is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my nails at home using the Madam Glam gel nail polish. So if you guys are ready to see how I get my nails like this, then just keep on watching. First, I want to say thank you to Madam Glam for sending me over this kit to do my nails at home. Kit includes an LED light. It also comes with a USB cord to connect to the outlet. It also comes with 2 nail polishes, and it also came with a base coat and also a top coat. The LED light is pretty small and compact, so if you're traveling, you can take it with you. It'll be very easy to just put in your bag and take it along on your trip. This kit also came with the base coat and also the top coat, and they also sent me 2 colors, of course, of my choice. And the colors are Moon Tears, which is a really pretty like galaxy color, and then the other color is Back to Cali, which is like a nice kind of like a nice purple lilac color. A few other things that you will need is acetone to remove any nail polish that you have, and also you will use it at the end. You will also need a cuticle remover as well as a cuticle pusher. Although I already removed my cuticles and cleaned my nails, I will just show you guys a little glimpse on how to remove your cuticles using the cuticle pusher in case you haven't done that before. Alright, let's get to the fun part, which is of course painting our nails. First is the base coat, and let me tell you guys, the consistency on this base coat is pretty thin, and I like that on base coats because I don't like my base coats to be too thick before I add on the color nail polish. You only need to apply 1 coat for the base coat, and then you can cure it with the LED light. Now, the good thing about this LED light is that it does have 2 settings. It does have a 45-second setting, or you can do a 60-second setting. I prefer the 60-second setting because I just like to make sure that my nails are completely cured before I add on the next coat. For this video, I chose to do the Moon Tears color just because it's different than what I usually do, and it's a very pretty galaxy color, and I really was eager to see how this nail polish would show up on my nails. I applied 1 coat, then cured it for 60 seconds, and I decided to do my thumb separately from the rest of my fingers because the LED light wasn't big enough to fit all 5 fingers under there, and I just wanted to make sure that my thumb was completely cured before moving on to the next hand. After curing the first coat, I went ahead and added another coat because I did want this color to be a little bit more darker. I don't know what you guys think, but I am loving this color. It just looks so different and like so galaxy, and it's just a vibe, especially for October. So let me know what you guys think about this color. It's very different from what I usually go to. Last step, or second to last step, is removing the tackiness of the nail polish. So acetone will do the trick. Just grab a cotton pad like I'm doing and put some acetone on it and just rub it on your fingernail for like 3 seconds. And once you do that, your nails are done. Now, this is optional. I forgot to do it in the video, but I did buy cuticle oil. You can apply cuticle oil on your cuticles after you've done the acetone. Just pamper your fingers a little with the cuticle oil just to seal in everything and make your nails stand out even more. This is how I do my nails at home using the Madam Glam gel polish kit. So simple to do. My nails came out beautifully. It only took me about 15 to 20 minutes to do. If you're interested in purchasing the gel kit or just the gel polishes, I do have a discount code in the description box. You guys can definitely use to get some money off your purchase. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have yet to subscribe, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any more of my videos. I will see you next time. Bye, loves. Mwah.